What's up everyone? Some of you might recognize my voice. You're right, it's Mr. Beast. You might have already guessed it, but this Mr. Beast voiceover is nothing but AI. More about that later on in this video. I can tell you that I have seen some crazy shit and I'm gonna tell you everything. And not the stuff that everybody already knows, but all the information you will need to get AI to start making money for you. We're talking people going from zero to millionaire, literally overnight. Not joking, not exaggerating, straight up becoming millionaires. And the craziest part, nobody's talking about it. The news is too busy showing you, I don't know, cat videos or whatever to tell you about the real revolution happening right under your nose. But that's why I'm here. I'm about to pull back the curtain, expose the secrets these AI millionaires don't want you to know. This right here, this AI stuff, this is the real deal, the biggest opportunity to make life-changing money you'll ever see. So buckle up, because things are about to get wild. AI investments hit $300 billion in a year. The rich are all in. Are you? $300 billion. That's not pocket change, people. That's more money than most countries have, and it's all pouring into AI. Why? Because the big dogs, the billionaires, the guys who already own yachts the size of small islands, they know something you don't. They know AI is the future, and they're not wasting any time getting their piece of the pie. Think about it. What's the one thing all these billionaires have in common? They're all using AI to get even richer. Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, you name it, they're all investing heavily in AI. Now you might be thinking, Mr. Beast, that's great for them, but I'm just a regular person. I don't have billions to throw around. And you know what? You're right. You don't need billions. You don't even need millions. Because with AI, the entry point is ridiculously low. That's right, you can jump into this AI gold rush with practically nothing and still come out on top. But you gotta act fast. The longer you wait, the more you risk getting left behind. John made $50,000 a month selling AI art. Sarah launched an AI business in 48 hours. Mark? He scaled to $100,000 a month with AI YouTube channels. Forget everything you think you know about becoming a millionaire. These aren't your typical Wall Street suits or tech geniuses. These are everyday people, just like you and me, who saw the potential of AI and said, why not me? Take John for example. John was an art teacher, barely making ends meet. Then he discovered AI art, and boom! Now he's making $50,000 a month selling AI-generated art online. No joke. Or how about Sarah? She was stuck in a dead-end job, hating her life. Then she used AI to launch her own online business in just 48 hours. And then there's Mark. Mark was a struggling YouTuber, barely getting any views. Then he started using AI to create his videos, and guess what? He's now making over $100,000 a month. These are just a few examples of the countless people who are quietly becoming millionaires thanks to AI. And the best part? This is just the beginning. AI is still in its early stages, which means the opportunities are only going to get bigger and better. So, are you ready to join the AI revolution? This AI revolution, it's not just sunshine and rainbows, guys. There's a dark side, a real dark side. And most people don't want to talk about it. We're talking about job losses, massive job losses. Think about it. If AI can write a whole blog post in seconds, why would a company pay someone to do it? And it's not just blue-collar jobs either. Lawyers, doctors, even programmers, nobody is safe. By 2030, experts are predicting 375 million jobs gone, vanished. That's why I'm making this video, to warn you, but also to empower you. Because you have a choice, get replaced or get rich. Listen up, because this is important. The banks, the corporations, the big guys, they're using AI to make a killing right now. And they don't want you anywhere near this. They're using AI to predict markets, automate trading, and basically print money. It's like having a cheat code for the financial system. But here's the secret they don't want you to know. You can do it too. You don't need a billion-dollar hedge fund, you just need the right knowledge. That's what I'm here to give you. I'm going to expose the secrets, the strategies, the tools they don't want you to have. Alright, so, by now you know the stakes. AI is here, it's changing the game, and you can either get left behind or ride the wave to some serious wealth. If you're serious about taking control of your future, if you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind, if you want to join the AI revolution, here's what you do. Right now, type AI money in the comments below. I'm serious. Stop the video and do it. This is your first step towards a whole new life. By typing AI money, you're joining a community of hustlers, entrepreneurs, and future millionaires who are using AI to change their lives. Don't miss out. Alright guys, you want to make easy money with AI? I'm talking about drop servicing. Basically, you're the middleman. Someone wants a logo, you get AI to make it for dirt cheap, and boom, profit. I'm talking about people charging $100, sometimes even more, for logos that take AI literally 10 seconds to generate. You could be making bank in your sleep. No joke. Imagine waking up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars just from AI doing the work. This isn't just about logos either. We're talking websites, voiceovers, you name it. If you can think it, AI can probably create it and you can sell it for a sweet, sweet profit. This is the future of making money, people, and you can get in on the ground floor right now. We all love YouTube, right? But what if I told you AI can write entire scripts for you? We're talking full-blown videos, ready to go. And it's not just YouTube, we're talking blogs, articles, social media posts. You name it, AI can write it. Imagine pumping out content like a machine without lifting a finger. People are making serious cash doing this, like $10,000 a month, some even more. Think about it. No more writer's block, no more spending hours staring at a blank screen. AI does all the heavy lifting and you rake in the views, the subscribers, and most importantly, the money. Don't believe me? We'll show you exactly how it's done. This next one is my favorite, guys. Who doesn't love passive income? Imagine making money while you sleep, while you eat, while you're watching this video. That's the power of AI-generated e-commerce. We're talking about AI designing and selling products for you. T-shirts with crazy designs? AI's got you covered. How about ebooks or online courses? Yeah, AI can do that too. You just sit back and let the money roll in. It's like having your own personal money-making machine working 24/7, no breaks. The best part? You don't need any design skills, you don't need to handle inventory, and you definitely don't need to ship anything. It's all taken care of. This is the future of business, people, and it's only getting bigger. You know how businesses are always trying to sell you stuff? Well, those ads you see everywhere, they cost serious cash. I'm talking thousands of dollars for a single ad campaign, sometimes even more. And guess what? Businesses are turning to AI to write those ads, and it's making some people seriously rich. These AI programs, they're like wordsmiths on steroids. They crank out persuasive, high-converting copy in minutes, faster, better, and cheaper than any human could. Imagine charging $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 for a service that takes you a couple of clicks to deliver. That's the power of AI copywriting, guys.
Breaking news.
Alright, you guys know I love a good money hack, and this one is huge. We're talking about AI trading and investing, something that used to be the secret weapon of Wall Street hotshots. You know those hedge funds, the ones swimming in billions? They've been using AI for years to predict the stock market. No joke, these algorithms analyze mountains of data in seconds to find the best investments. But hold on, it gets even better. This technology isn't just for the Wall Street elite anymore. You can get in on the action too. There are AI platforms out there right now that can help you analyze stocks, predict market moves, and potentially make some serious cash. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is the future of investing. Listen up, because this is important. The AI revolution is happening right now at this very second. It's not some far-off sci-fi movie, it's the real deal. While some people are stuck in the past, others are using AI to build businesses, make insane money, and live the life of their dreams. The question is, which side do you want to be on? Remember at the beginning of the video when I talked about those jobs that AI is going to replace? Don't be one of them. Instead, become the person who profits from AI. This is your chance to get ahead, to secure your financial future, and to be a part of something truly revolutionary. But you gotta act fast, because the AI train is leaving the station, with or without you. You guys know I love making money, right? But even I'm blown away by what's happening in the AI world. We're talking serious cash, people. Remember OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT? In 2023 alone, they raked in a mind-blowing $1.3 billion. That's insane. And it's not just them. Every single day, new AI startups are popping up like crazy, and they're all hungry for a piece of the pie. This isn't just a trend, guys. It's a full-blown AI gold rush. The best part? This is just the beginning. The AI market is like a rocket ship taking off, and we're all strapped in for the ride. So buckle up, because things are about to get wild. Alright, so you're probably thinking, Mr. Beast, this AI stuff sounds awesome, but how can I get in on the action? Well, listen up, because this is where it gets really exciting. People are building entire businesses powered by AI, and they're doing it with 0 employees. That's right, no payroll, no headaches, just pure profit. Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and boom, thousands of dollars have rolled in overnight. All thanks to your AI-powered business working for you 24/7. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that dream can be your reality. In the next few chapters, I'm going to break down exactly how you can build your own AI empire step by step. We'll cover everything from finding the right tools to automating your income streams. So stay tuned. Alright guys, you're probably thinking, this all sounds great, but I'm broke. Don't worry, I got you. There are tons of free AI tools out there that can get you started making money right now. And I'm not talking about some lame, useless tools either. These are the real deal. First up, we got ChatGPT. This thing is insane. It can write you anything, website copy, blog posts, YouTube scripts, even love letters. Not that you'd need them with all the cash you're about to make. Seriously, it's like having a personal writer on call 24/7, and it's completely free. Next, we've got MidJourney. Remember those AI art pieces that sold for millions? Well, you can create your own with MidJourney. This tool lets you generate stunning artwork in seconds, and you can sell it as prints, on t-shirts, or even as NFTs. The possibilities are endless, just like your earning potential. And finally, for all you aspiring YouTubers and entrepreneurs, we've got 11 Labs. This AI voice generator is a game changer. It can create realistic voiceovers for your videos or marketing materials, so you don't even have to show your face or use your own voice. It's like having a professional voice actor in your pocket. Listen up, because this is important. AI is changing the game faster than ever before. This isn't some far-off future thing, this is happening right now. Every day you wait is a day someone else is cashing in on this AI gold rush. I'm talking real people, just like you, who are using these tools to make serious bank. I've seen it firsthand, people going from flat broke to making $10,000 a month, all thanks to AI. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or experience. If you can use a phone or a computer, you can do this. It's that easy. But you gotta take action. Don't be that person who watches these videos a year from now kicking themselves for not starting sooner. So, what are you waiting for? Hit me up on Instagram, DM me AI money right now, and let's make this happen together. Let's ride this AI wave all the way to the bank. Guys, seriously, this is huge! Don't miss out on the AI revolution. Hit that like button, subscribe to Money Talks, and share this video with everyone you know.